Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan donuts. Activate 2 teaspoons of yeast in 1 cup of warm plant milk with 1 tablespoon of sugar, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the yeast. Then, mix wet and dry ingredients, kneading until smooth. Let the dough rise for about 1 hour until doubled in size. After your dough rises, gently roll it to 1/2 inch thick on a floured surface. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized circular cutters to create your shapes. Carefully place them onto a baking sheet. Heat 3 inches of vegetable oil in a sturdy pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry 2 or 3 donuts at a time for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown. While your donuts cool slightly, let's prepare a simple, sweet glaze. Whisk 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract together until smooth. Adjust the consistency with more milk or sugar as needed. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, coating one side, then place it on a wire rack. This allows any excess to drip off, and the glaze will set beautifully as they cool. Now for the fun part, adding creative toppings to make your donuts truly unique. While the glaze is still wet, sprinkle on colorful vegan sprinkles or finely chopped nuts. Drizzle melted vegan chocolate or a rich caramel sauce over the set glaze for extra indulgence. Toasted coconut flakes or crushed freeze-dried berries also offer wonderful texture and flavor, adding a perfect personal touch to each delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.